Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, Santa left me 2 big boxes of liquor. Oh, Santa Claus from CW Spirit sent me 2 big boxes so Mrs. Amora and I can try some new stuff. Let's see what they brought us this time. What we have here? Vintage Distilling honey vodka. Been wanting to try this, and thank you CW Spirit for sending me a bottle of it. Mrs. Amora and I will definitely make some nice cocktails with that bad boy right there. Oh, what's this? This is cute. I've never gotten a small one like this before. What is this? White tea shot. Hey, I like green tea shots. Maybe I'll like white tea shots too. That's interesting. What else we got in here? Oh, look. Oh, I know what this is. And no, these are not golf balls. They look like golf balls though. They're actually birdie shots. Oh, birdie bombs. Sorry, they're called birdie bombs. They're little single serving shots. This is kind of a new product for CW Spirits. Really hard to find this anywhere else. I'm going to do a taste test of these one day after I get these bad boys chilled down. But could you imagine? You're like, out with your friends, if you're maybe a sophisticated lady playing on the golf course and you want to have a couple of shots with your friends, put this in your golf bag and no one's going to know you're drinking. Perfect. I know how you ladies are on the golf course, trust me. Killix anti-hangover stuff. So I've had this before. I've talked about it before on the channel. This stuff actually does help with hangovers. Like if you're drinking, have a couple of these bad boys. It'll help with a hangover. It may even keep them from coming on, and that's what you really want. Oh my goodness, what else have we got? CW Spirits, you are spoiling us. What is this? What is this? I don't know what this is. That's a really awful sound, isn't it? My Big Pickle! Pickle flavored vodka. Deal with it. Deal with it. That's cool. So now, I have been really looking forward to trying this since they released it, and I just haven't had a chance to buy a bottle, and now I have one. Thank you. This is also very, very hard to find. CW Spirits has it though. And finally, my old friend, I can see through the label. My old friend, Rasta Bob Coconut Rum. I'm telling you, if you like coconut rum, this is one of the best. CW Spirits has it for a very, very good price. I have never seen it in any other liquor store. CW Spirits carries it shipped right to your door. And let's open this one. I think I know what this one is. They had a contest, and I was lucky enough to be drawn from a hat to win a special bottle that CW Spirits sent me, and I really do appreciate that. Thank you very much, CW Spirits, for having that the drawing, and for me being lucky enough to win. What's this? More Killix. So they really don't want me and Mrs. Amora getting hangovers, and I appreciate that about you. More Killix. That stuff is great, actually. This stuff is really good. What's this? I didn't expect this. More white tea shots. So one for me and one for Mrs. Amora. See, they're thinking about you, Mrs. Amora. Santa. Wrap this one up pretty good. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. What do we have here? Oh, Bombarda. 18-year-old rum. Look at that. Beautiful bottle. Look at that beautiful bottle. This is a very nice bottle of rum. 18-year-old rum. I'm very, very happy to have it. Thank you, CW Spirits, for sending this to me and for having the contest where I could actually win it. It was a luck of the draw win. It was nothing to do with how special I am. I just got lucky for one of the first times in my life. First time I got lucky, I married Mrs. Amora. Second time I got lucky, I got a free bottle of rum.